Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Aravane, roll number 2, Division C. My group members' names are Sushil Paralkar, Siddesh Goy and Shubham Bharat. Today we are going to see demonstration model of telescopic cylinder using PVC pipe, but due to lockdown I was not able to make the model. This activity was under the guidance of Professor Vijay Sakpal sir, and thanks sir. So let's start our video. Telescopic cylinders are a special design of hydraulic cylinder or pneumatic cylinder as well as a pulley system which provide an exceptional long output travel from a very compact retracted length. What are telescopic cylinders used for? Telescopic cylinders are used in application requiring a long stroke but a short retracted length. The most common telescopic cylinder application is dumb beds or trailers. They can fit between the frame rails of the chassis but can extend far enough to dump even the longest beds. Now we will see the working of telescopic cylinder. Normal extension of a double acting telescopic cylinder occurs in the same manner as with the single acting type. Retraction of double acting telescopic cylinder is made possible by sealing each moving gap piston area outside diameter with the next larger stage inside diameter and building internal oil transfer holes into each moving stage. The oil transfer holes are located just above the piston in the body of the stage. The retraction port normally is located in the top of the smallest stage. Oil flows through this port and into the smallest stage. The oil transfer hole allows oil to enter and pressurize the volume between the next stage. Internal diameter and the smaller stages outer diameter pressure in the volume generates the force to move or retract the smaller stage into the larger stage. Once the stage is fully retracted, the oil transfer hole in the next larger stage is exposed to allow oil flow for it to retract. This retraction process continues automatically until all stages have retracted into the main. The seal on each stage selects the areas against which will work. Now we will see the construction and operation. In figure illustrate the arrangement of a typical telescoping type cylinder having this three rams. Since the diameter A of the ram is relatively large, this ram produces a large force for the beginning of the lift of the load. When ram A reaches the end of the stroke, ram B begins to move. Now ram B provides the required smaller force to continue raising the load. When ram B reaches the end of the stroke, the ram C moves outwards to complete the lifting operation. These three rams can be retracted by gravity acting on the load or by pressurized fluid on the tip of each ram. Basically, there are two types of telescopic cylinders: single acting telescopic cylinder and double acting telescopic cylinder. Single acting telescopic cylinder extend under hydraulic pressure and rely on gravity on some external mechanical force for retraction. Single acting cylinders are used in application where some form of load is always on the cylinders. The classic single acting telescopic application are dump trucks and dump trailers. Pressurized oil extends the telescopic cylinder to raise one end of the dump body. When pressure is released, the weight of the dump body forces oil out of the cylinder. It retracts. Now we will see double acting cylinder. Double acting telescopic cylinders are powered hydraulically in both directions. They can be used in application where neither gravity nor external force can retract the cylinder. They are well suited to non-critical positioning application requiring extension and retracted movement of a substantial load. A classic application is the Packer ejector cylinder in refuse vehicles and transport trailers. The horizontally mounted cylinder pushes a platen to compress the load, then must retract with the platen so more material can be added. Gravity cannot help, so a double acting cylinder is used. Single and double acting cylinder combination. There are few unusual types of telescopic cylinder design for specific application. For example, a manufacturer of oil well equipment uses a tape composed of both cylinder, single and double acting stages to position a work over rig. The work over rig is a derrick of tower that is transported horizontally to a well site on a trailer. Applications of telescopic cylinder. Whether you select a single acting or double acting cylinder design, you can utilize this device in various types of equipment, including constructional equipment such as roll-off, roll-on trucks, transport trailers, garbage trucks, and dump trucks. They can also be applied to common machinery and agricultural equipment. If you need to upgrade your agricultural equipment, often the small bore design, which is best suited for light duty application, can accommodate your requirements. Very often telescopic cylinders with a small bore design are not powered by hydraulics, but rather compressed air. If your project involves heavy duty application, a hydraulic telescopic cylinder is the best choice. Conclusion. In this study, we have studied about telescopic cylinder, its working, operations, and its type. We constructed a model of telescopic cylinder.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.